If you have any type of car buying question, please write comment in the comment section. Today video is about Volkswagen Virtus crash test result out. Volkswagen currently retails the Virtus between 11.3 to lakh rupees and 18.4 to lakh rupees, ex-showroom Delhi. The sedan scored 92.35%, 36.94 points in adult occupation protection. This includes the overall scores from both frontal and side impact crash tests. The Virtus got 91.84% in child occupant protection. Here is its breakdown. The VW sedan that was crash tested was equipped with 6 airbags and electronic stability control, escape, as standard. Other safety features on board the Made in India Virtus include ISOFIX child seat anchorages, hill hold assist, a tire pressure monitor, and a reversing camera. It was also equipped with AEB, automatic emergency braking, in its Latin specification. Volkswagen Virtus complete with Maruti Ciaz, Honda City, Hyundai Verna etc. For more information about Volkswagen Virtus, please subscribe Motorcar India. Please subscribe Motorcar India and press the bell icon. Like this video, share with your friend, comment me which type of car buying question you have.